Perfect. Perfect. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. Hello, my name is Joe, and welcome back to Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. Man, get that stuff out of here. I don't want it. I can't handle it. No. Make it easy. But Joe, can it really be this easy? Watch. That's all I gotta say is watch. Like I show you how to trade in the most simplistic form. I really do. Support, resistance. But Joe, what about all these indicators and everything else that all these other people use? Well, you can use them if you want. You don't need them. I'll tell you that right now. And all these indicators, they're all lagging indicators. If you know how to read the chart, I can tell you what the indicators are telling me if you know how to read the chart. And again, I find it so funny because people will be looking at their indicator and say, oh, you know, the indicator, it's curving up. We have a green dot, or we're printing several green bars, or whatever the fact. But if you just look up to the price action, well, guess what the price action did? Price action curved up and it's printing green. The indicator tells you what the price is doing. Why? It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense to me anyway. The club shirt on. No, this is the first shirt I got in the closet. I was having my house shirt, and I said, "Oh, I gotta go." I'm showing all my chest hair though. Got to comb that down for the ladies. No, I don't got no chest hair. Story time. I think I was like, I don't know, 7, 8, and my mom said that I was not gonna have any chest hair, and I said, "Oh yeah." You know, when I grow up, just due to my heritage or whatever, I said, "Oh yeah." So I cut some hair off my head, got some Elmer's glue. I said, "There you go, Mom." That was a story I probably shouldn't have told. Oh, okay, guys. So I've been noticing something. So definitely stay tuned. Always watch the show, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I've been noticing something, and I'm not sure if y'all have noticed it too. So I'm gonna tell y'all something that's near and dear to me, and this is serious, guys. This is very serious. Is today Friday? Is today Father's Day? I think it's today, right? Let me know. Is today Father's Day? But anyway, with that being said, I don't even know if I should talk on this, but let me just wipe that off. Okay. So I want to say like 6 years ago, maybe longer, I had a brain tumor, and I was like, it was pretty trippy. I had a brain tumor. Hey, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, guys. Happy Father's Day. For all the fathers that are out there, happy Father's Day. I hope you're having a great day. Hope you had another tie or socks added to your wardrobe. Hopefully you got some hugs and a relaxing day. Yes, happy Father's Day, guys. Okay, so story time. I've noticed lately that I've been saying a lot of stuff that normally I wouldn't say. You know, normally, you know, you think it, but you don't say it. So I had a brain tumor a long time ago, 6 years ago or so. I don't even know how long. And they took it out, and then like 2 years later, it came back. So I was taking all this medicine or whatever. And then I stopped taking the medicine. And just maybe like a year ago, I went and saw the doctor. I didn't do another MRI. I went and saw the doctor, and my levels, you know, all these different levels that you have in your body, it was bad. It was really, really bad. So then they put me on some medicine, and levels started getting good. Then I stopped taking the medicine because I hate medicine. And then now my numbers are really, really bad. So I don't know if something else is in my brain. Now, granted, this is very important, guys, because if I don't show up one day, I know, kind of being morbid on a Happy Father's Day, but you can use these videos to know how to trade. Okay, moving on. Let's stop that. Let's see. 1 second. All right, I'm still here. I got dumb allergies. Allergies in my eyeballs. Allergies in my eyeballs. All right, moving on. Okay, so Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin doing? 1 second. Dang it. Hey, y'all can still see. I forgot. I like this. Nailed it. So for Bitcoin, okay, here we go. Get with the joke. Get with it. All right, so Bitcoin, we have a plan A, plan B. And this is our plan A. This is our plan B. Yesterday, I believe and my days get mixed up because my sleep schedule. But yesterday, I believe we were talking about this, how it was strong, even though it was little area, but it was still showing strength. It wasn't doing lower highs, which is good. And we're saying, I did another video this morning for the group, and I did quite a few videos this morning for the group, just because I want to make sure that y'all understand what I'm looking at, why I'm looking at it, how I'm looking at it. Price action was here on this one, and so far I said, okay guys, look, it's playing out. It's playing out. More than likely it'll come up here to look to your left. Always look to your left, and always look at the crosshairs to around this level. This is our resistance level. Probably pull back to our support, so right around this area, and then possibly break through, and then more than likely our next area of resistance is right around here, right around here. So with that being said, I do believe that we're going to be going up before we go down. Now I'm still sticking with us coming down here overall, coming down. This is the bigger picture, coming down, coming up, coming down. So this up part right here, let's see here. So even though we did a lower low, I think we're, so it's always plan A, plan B. If we do break above these levels, you know, the highest I think will go is right here to 69.9. This is, I think, the highest will go before coming back down. Now we created a double top. Everybody's gonna see that. Break through this, then of course you have your break through your level, then your measured move. Let's see here. See, Jono says, hey Joe, how come the crypto YouTubers think the market will go up over the next year? Because of the halving. And it will go up. It's not a maybe, it is. It's a definite. It's because of the halving, and it always happens. So after the halving, we have about 2-3 months of boringness, sideways action, nothing, and then the market starts getting better. Not only that, but the presidential election is in the year of the halving. So we have a presidential election now, and of course what the presidents always do is they have all these promises, they have all these hopes and dreams, they have all these projects that they're working on, how to make the economy better, because the last president didn't do nothing, etc., etc. They're trying to stimulate the economy. By doing so, the markets are better. So it's all like a plan. It's all a plan. So it definitely. So right now we're in June. I'm hoping the end of July, maybe August, we'll start doing really good. Now, of course, I think I said July 1st or July month of July, but so far we're still not seeing anything. I was really wanting to see if we get that tax rate cut. You know, we get that rate cut from the Fed, then that's going to help boost the economy as well. Now, granted, are we doing anything different? Is the government doing anything different to help us? No. They're still giving money out left and right. They're still printing money left and right. They're still, you know, overextending their debts daily by billions of dollars. So the only way that the government can truly get better is if the government reduces their spending. Have them take a pay cut. Have them do the unemployment. Have them, you know, not get paid as much as they get paid. Reduce their salary, save us billions, then, you know, pump that into the economy, you know, whether it's, you know, lower, it has to start somewhere. You lower the cost of anything, People are going to want to buy it. People are buying it. You're increasing the economy. You really are. Now people don't have to charge as much for something because now more of it's selling. Supply, demand. It's like, I don't even know anything about economics, but I know that it's literally supply and demand. So let's see here. We got BC in here. What's up, brother? What is up? Crypto Candy. See here. It's gonna go up, down, and sideways. I'm pretty accurate about that. Yes. So there's a YouTuber that we watch, and this YouTuber, well, at least that I watch, there was one day where he said, all right, so as far as Bitcoin goes, right now it's at this level. There's a really good chance that, it's going to go up. But if it does, this particular level or thing, it's going to go down. We're waiting for this, for it to go parabolic or something like that. He said up, down, and then if they don't have, that doesn't happen, it's going to go sideways. And then and I put this in the group. And then he had the nerve to say, up, down, or sideways. Then he had the nerve to say, I posted stuff in the group, and I'm pretty accurate. I'm very accurate. Really? You're very accurate. Okay. Maybe I should start following you, because you're saying it can go up, down, or sideways, and you're pretty accurate. Shoot, man, I would think you're 100%, but just very accurate? I don't know if I want to follow you. Ridiculous. See, hard money is the only fixed, man. Hard money like in gold, silver, yeah. The dollar, no. You hold the dollar, shoot, man, you might as well just be cutting off a piece of that dollar every time. Cut. You hold it long enough, it's not gonna be worth anything, in my opinion. Well, it's a fact. All right, moving on. So guys, do you have any coins? Do you have any coins you want me to do? If not, we'll run through some coins really quick, and then that'll be the show. Once again, none of this is planned. I normally go over Bitcoin. Ask me questions in reference to crypto, in reference to indicators, in reference to whatever, and I'll give you my information. Also, let's see here. What else? I think that's it. So I'll run through some coins that I'm looking at or that we've looked at prior. Let's see here. So I want to show this. Perfect, man. Everybody in the group, look at this. Did I not call this to a T? Telling you guys, let me put the audio on. I want to share this with y'all. So I'm going to share this with everybody in here. Let's see, who's in here? Put a 1 in the chat. Who is in here? Put a 1 in the chat. I want to see who is in here. Oh, and definitely smash the like, guys. Definitely smash the like. The likes do help support the channel. Not only that, it gives it the fuel. If there aren't enough likes, well, then the show ends. It's okay. I go about my day. But it's very important. Smash the like, guys. It does help support the channel. I'm going to show you a video. It's a short video, and I talk about this coin. So let me go ahead and make sure the audio, and then once it starts playing, I would love to know that the audio is good. Once it starts playing, I want to know the audio is good, and just, put a message in here. The audio's good, but I want to show this to you. Let's see here. I might even show you 2 videos. Wait, where's the video? Oh, I put it in the video section. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's a little bit. Okay, so one second. Okay. So hopefully y'all can see that, and hopefully you can hear it. So 1 second. So right now I'm just thinking out loud. I got this sent to me. This is on the 1 hour time frame for BIGTIME, and they have this, this downward channel. It says buy the breakout. This is like the worst thing you can do, in my opinion. So of course everybody's got opinions. This is mine. Buy the breakout. This is on the hour time frame. For me, I'm on the 4 hour time frame on this particular one. I drew the same trend line. Now let's just say you do buy the breakout on the 1 hour time frame or whatever time frame you're trading on. The very next candle more than likely is going to start a breakout. The following after that is going to be the breakout. Now, we do have a double bottom. It's not looking strong. You can see the momentum as far as the 50 SMA, you have the 200 SMA. Again, these are moving averages. In my opinion, now if we go to the daily time frame, just want to show you everything I've done. The daily time frame, we can see there's a really nice area of support resistance. We have a level here, it's our range low. We have a level here, our range high, and then right in the middle is our mid level or mid range. Now what we want to do is we want to see what the price range is between each level. From this level to this level, about 20%. From this level to this level, about 20%. So these are great levels to trade in between the ranges. Now, let's go ahead and back up. And let's look at this on the, let's just do the hour time frame since that's what they're posting. Again, I'm in several groups, and this one, somebody actually sent me this one. You don't want to enter now. You don't want to enter the breakout either. Why? Because we have all these levels. Let me just show this to you. And again, I'm just thinking out loud. We have, this is a good level. So we have resistance, well, support slash resistance right here, all this. So let's just say, and let's change this to a white so that we don't get confused. Let's just say price action does break out and you buy the breakout. It comes up here and then it comes down because of this resistance, the candle body closes, and also the wicks. So it comes down. Now it does a retest. Great, buy the retest, right? No, because now it can come up and now this can act as resistance, continue down. So now what you're doing is you're continuing the downtrend. Now you get this, and then now you would have to adjust it to maybe this, or you can have two levels, one right here, and then the next one would be roughly here to here, creating a liquidity zone or a sell pressure zone. So the best thing to do, in my opinion, is you could, if you were going to enter this, you could enter once the candle closes above this. But right now, due to the market, due to everything, and this is what they don't show you, I would recommend doing a 4-hour time frame so that you're not getting fake outs. The lower the time frame, the higher probability of fake outs. The higher the time frame, the fewer fake outs you can get. Now, granted, could it still come down? Yes, of course. Why? Well, because we're trading against people. So let's just say we're trading on the 4-hour time frame. We're on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go and delete this, also this, and this as well. Now, what we're looking at is we're looking for the break of this level, because what is the difference? And this is why I always do the price range tool. What is the difference between here and here? 5%. You can take the extra 5%. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a safer entry because I'm not willing to risk 5% so they could possibly do this. And now trade in between this range until it either breaks up or breaks down. So I'm not going to use that risk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, set an alert, probably right above this wick, because you don't want to keep on going up, break up, hopefully find support, and then hit our alert. Once our alert goes, we can see, okay, we got some closes above this level. And in fact, it actually broke above this resistance, which is right here. So whenever I'm doing my levels and my lines and my drawings, it's never random. All of this is very strategic. This is a level of resistance. Once it breaks this level, now we enter. By doing so, we're reducing our risk. Now, what I would also do is I would have a lower entry somewhere down here. Now, of course, my entries are in blue. I thought process, do not, in my opinion, buy the breakout, because that's the worst thing you do. You need it to break above a strong support resistance level. And this right here is your strong support resistance level. Once it breaks above, 4-hour candle must close, and then you enter the trade. That's all I got. I do thank you. Take care. All right, so we're back. All right, so that was a video, in case you think I was a I can't even say a transventriloquist. That's funny though. Like, what's going on here? Joe's got talents. All right, so with that being said, this is exactly what I was talking about. Exactly what I was talking about. So you don't want to buy the breakout, guys. Like, it gets me so upset when I see these groups doing this stuff. Buy the breakout. And I even called it in the video. I said the very next candle, it's going to start the breakout. Then after that, the next candle will be the breakout. But look at this resistance level we have right here. And this played exactly to the T. It broke out. Here was the start of the break. Here's the more of the breakout. Here it broke out. And guess what it's doing? It's underneath this level. Then it came down here, did a retest. And in the video, I talk about a retest. But more than likely, it's going to, you know, it surprised me that it's doing the retest so fast. I was thinking it was going to do this number, come up here a little bit, you know, this area, then come back down to do the retest, and then come back up, and now it's got to fight this again. You know, why mess with this? This is 5%. Are you willing to put yourself in front of a moving car at 5% more? No. Why would you do that? Just wait. This is our main level. Set your alert. So you have to think about it this way. I care about your money as if it was my money. I want you to be very, very cautious when entering trades. A monkey can say, buy the breakout. And guess what? A monkey did. A monkey said, buy the breakout. And monkey see, monkey do, right? Not for me. What I do is I explain why. Like, can you enter the breakout of this? Yeah, sure you could. But Joe, I'm entering on the break of a downtrend. Okay, your success rate is going to be pretty good. However, think about it. Just think about it. Here is our level. So if we wait for this level to break, what are you doing now? Now you are entering, let me do this yellow. Now you are entering with an uptrend. But Joe, this is a bear flag. Get out of here with your patterns. Patterns are what they do. I don't do patterns. But my point is you're entering in a different trend. So when you enter here, you're entering in an uptrend. When you're entering here, you know, it could still be a downtrend. This can be, now you have this level, you know, and then this level, and then this level. You're still in this downtrend. But the way I show you to enter is when the trend changes. So the likelihood of mine trade succeeding are far greater than somebody who buys the breakout. Because once again, it could break out, get rejected here, come back down, come back up, get rejected here, come back down, come back up, and then, well, so much time has passed already, we're not even looking at this coin. Now it's in this range, and now you're still in this trade, waiting for it to go, and say it doesn't go until like another week, and then it finally breaks out. Guess what they do? Hey guys, look at us. We said buy the breakout, and look, it broke out right here. We're up 33%. Stick with us, join our group, blah, blah, blah. 2 weeks later, what do? I set an alert. I do the waiting for you. So when the trade is ready, guess what? All right, guys, the alert just went off. The 4-hour candle just closed above this level. Enter now. Boom. Mic drop. Mic drop. All right, moving on. Gonna go read some of these things. If you're just joining us, guys, happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. If you're not a father, you're lucky. If you are a father, you're lucky, question mark. Hopefully you enjoyed your new boxers or your tie, or maybe even a massage, you know, who knows. But So happy you guys are here. Happy Father's Day to everybody. I did mention earlier that I had a tumor a long time ago. They took it out and it came back. I took medicine for it and then I stopped taking medicine. I went to the doctor about a year ago. My levels are not good. They're actually horrible. So my legacy is I want to show you how to trade. So if I don't show up one day, not that I'm going to unalive myself or nothing like that, but it's a brain tumor. You know, I don't know if I have it again. I don't know, but I've been noticing that I've been saying a lot of stuff that I really shouldn't be saying. And I've been saying that too. It's like, I don't care. And I noticed that yesterday. And I was actually watching a movie that he was talking about a brain tumor. I was like, oh crap, maybe that's what's going on with me. You know, I don't have insurance, and I don't want to spend money for an MRI. I don't like hearing bad news. But so that's where I'm at right now, guys. So of course I'm doing this every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully I don't have another brain tumor or a different brain tumor. I don't know. I won't know until the end of the bull run, because that right now I was thinking, what are my goals? Oh, my goals are to, you know, get a box truck, to live in there, to travel, to be free. Now on the top of the priority list is to get an MRI. So but hopefully everything pans out. Hopefully it's just me being old. I really do. I hope it's really because I'm old and it's like, I don't care. And speak my mind and I don't care what you think and blah, blah. Maybe that's what it is. Or maybe something's affecting my brain to where I don't care, you know? Now, granted, do I care about making money? Yes, very, very important. So like this stuff that I'm teaching you, this is a very safe way to trade. And why am I being so open with y'all? Well, in case I start saying stuff that doesn't make any sense, you know, those of you who have my Telegram, you can say, hey Joe, you all right? What's going on, man? You were saying something. It's like, oh yeah, I don't know. And then I'll have somebody take over. Have somebody take over the channel, somebody take over everything. But I think maybe it's just I'm getting old and I'm just thinking too much about it. I've been thinking about a lot about it today. I was like, man, I don't know. But the stuff what I'm showing you, it's how to trade. It literally is how to trade. All of my videos show you how to trade for free. You don't need to pay me. You don't need to join my group. If you want to join my group, go for it. And I say this all the time too. It's like, people tell me literally, Joe, you're not a great salesman. You know, it's like, I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm offering you the opportunity to do what we do and at a much faster rate. If you don't want it, or if you don't have the money, no problem. I got you. Watch these videos. Like, I will show you how to do all this stuff, not for $99 per hour. I don't have a fancy suit, you know, all this other good stuff. I don't have all that. But what I do have is compassion and wanting to help my neighbor. So just kind of give you a heads up. I give you everything for free. If you want to join the group, great. I got the stuff in the chat as far as the Patreon, or if you want to pay in crypto, you can message me on Telegram. And that's it. I mean, that's it. Like, I don't sell anything. You want it? Hey, here it is. You can't afford it? No problem. I got you. All right. See here. So definitely smash the likes. Definitely do all that fun stuff. See, Lenny said I joined my screen 3 times. LOL. That's when we're doing the little video. Let's see. Mark says, hey Joe, is a layer about to buy? Is LAI about a buy? It retraced to 886. Well, check it out. Let us check it out. So let's leave this here. Oh, so PEDRO, this one we talked about a few days ago. I think when the price was here, I said enter now and have a lower bid down here. No. So the price was here. I said enter now, have a lower bid, and a stop loss right here. And guess what? It came down to our lower bid and it's coming up. So just an update on this one. This one's a meme coin. Let's see here. What else? Let's go to here, and then let's go to YouTube, and let's check out LAI. Oh, and we got some charts coming up. And these are gonna be fast. Because I already talked for a whole bunch. So let's see here. XRP. This is the joke of the year, of the bull market. XRP. Ha ha ha. If you're in XRP, get out. Not financial advice, but get out. Not financial advice, but get out. All right, moving on. So this right here is a layer. Oh, no. I wouldn't buy right now. Now, it depends. If you have a investor mindset, any price is good. This price is great if you have an investor mindset, because the price could continue coming down to maybe another 20, 30%. Prices here, it could come down to here, 34% right here. So with that being said, it depends on your thought process. Once again, if you're an investor, yeah, sure. Put 50% here, put a lower bid, and a bid, all that is a lower entry that hasn't hit. It's probably right here at 0.12814. If you have a trader mindset to where you want to enter this and make money right off the bat, no way, no way, no way, Jose. Because it's just coming down. There's no support. It hasn't found support. It hasn't made a higher high. So what you want to do is you want to wait for a higher high. Very risky if you're going to do this as a trade, entering right now, because it can continue coming down. You get stopped out, or you're in the trade way longer than you wanted to because you don't have a stop loss. But if you wait for it to do this, let's say it does this, then it does this, and then now it's forming some kind of structure. It does this, breaking its previous high that it just created. Now you can enter, because now what it's doing, it's changing the trend. We talked about this earlier. Right now, this is your trend. It's a downtrend. However, if you make this high and then you enter here, what you're doing is you're actually changing the trend, or, you know, whatever. You change the trend. So that's my thought process on that. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, watch my videos. It will make sense. But hopefully that makes sense. All right, moving on to the next one. So there's two different types of mindsets. Let's see here. But hey, did you notice I didn't even pull a fib? Don't need to. Depends on your strategy. Trader, investor. And I went over both. All right. Let's see here. Sam says a JTO. Let's do some JTO, USDT, doing rapid fire. It would have to break. Yep. Okay. Joe, why do your eyeballs go from left to right? Is that your brain tumor? No, it is not. Here. So can you all see this? We have stops here. We have candle body stops here, candle body stops here, a wick, candle body stops, some wicks, some candle bodies, bunch of candle bodies, a wick. Y'all see all this? So this is major support / resistance. Now, the price action is underneath it. Do I want to go underneath a very strong support resistance level? No. It's like getting to a arm wrestle match, and you have a choice. Somebody who looks roughly your size, maybe a little weaker, or some big old dude who lives in the gym and he's got forearms like legs. I would pick the one that looks like me or a little bit weaker. That's what I'd pick. Right now, by entering here, you're going after the gym guy, because resistance. And then finally he starts laughing. He's like, man, I gotta go. And he lets you in. Look what happened here. Resistance came down. Resistance came down. And then, oh, he's leaving. Okay. So same thing here. Would I enter right now? No, definitely not. I would wait for this. But Joe, you're going to miss out on 30% or 25. Let's see. Ooh, 12%. Get out of here, man. I missed 12% all day. I thought that was like 25, 26, 28. So missing out on 13% to have a safer entry, in my opinion, is well worth it. So what I would do is I would set an alert above this area right here. Candle body closes, candle wicks. I'd set an alert right here, and then I would just wait for entry. So I just put a question mark. I just wait for entry. Now the 4-hour candle must close above this level, and then we enter the trade. More than likely we put a lower entry, we do our stop loss, but right now we're just waiting. Now this could take a week or so for it to play out. So if you want, double check on this in a few weeks or a few days, and just ask me, Joe, can we do a follow-up on JTO? Yeah, sure, definitely. Let's see here. Crypto Candy says, my great grandma knits. She makes nice patterns. Nice. Dude, it's so funny. Especially like with these memes that have the clouds. It's breaking out. I see that all the time. Like, it's crazy. Like in everything, I see that. It's crazy. See here, Sam says, SUKU. Okay, let's do it. SUKU. S. Oh, King spell. Okay, here we go. I love these rapid fires. No. I love these rapid fires. Was that rude? I don't like it. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it. No, I don't know what the coin is. I know what the price action is. I don't like it. It's just dumping. Dump. We do have this zone, I guess. I gotta see how big this zone is, though. We can do from here to here. How big is this zone? Let's do this. I don't want it green. I don't want us to think highly of this zone. This zone is 18%. Okay, not bad. Let's see here. So it's bouncing here. So for me, in order to be bullish on this, okay, so here is a level. So here's a level 2. So there's nothing but support resistance levels everywhere. And me personally, I would have to set an alert above these wicks. Joe, you keep on going higher. I know. But my alert gets set off, right? And by that time, hopefully, this would have happened. My alert goes off. I look, I see that it found support here, and it also found support here. It broke this current level, this recent high. There's a lot of highs here. There's a high here, a high here, a high here. But it broke this current level. But if it comes down, this is my safety net. This is my safety net. If it comes down, there's a really high probability it's going to bounce here because of all this support and all this support. There's a very, very high chance it's going to bounce here. Now, if it does break, let's say we enter here. If it does break, oh no, I'd have my stop loss underneath here. Yeah, I was gonna say have another entry here, but no. I don't want to lose that much. So that's my thought process right there on that one. I set my alert at that level. The 4-hour candle must close here. I know I have it on the daily, but the 4-hour candle must close above this 0.11161 in order for me to consider entering. Okay, I'm moving on. I see here, I think it's Lows. So it's like Joe with an L, so low, and then there's a Z. Lows. Maybe. Let's do Looney. LOONEY, MOON, moon. Remember that movie a long time ago? Is this the right one? Nope. LOONEY. Let's take this off. So, okay, so I'm assuming this is a Uniswap coin. LOONEY. Let's see. LOONEY. So it does help if you show me this stuff, if you tell me this stuff. So LOONEY is here, not trackable, but then it's here. So it's very important to, because you see what I'm doing. Very important to do this. That way it saves us time. So let's click on this. Let's go to this. Let's look at this. Ooh, ouch. Wowzers. Could this make you a millionaire? Yeah, sure, why not? Do I think it's likely? I don't think so. Why? Because it was a pump and a dump. Now it'd be better if it was a pump and a dump, and then a pump, and then a dump, and then a pump, and then now it's like, should I enter? Versus launch, everybody bought, made people money, and everybody doesn't even want to hold this coin, and sold. I'd buy it just for the name, and then sold. Can I make money right now? Sure, why not? Let's go 4 hour time frame. Let's see here. Kindly comment on gold. What's the ticker on gold? UADXAD. Give me tickers, guys. Give me tickers. But Joe, you should know it. Yeah, I know it. I mean, it's on my market stuff, but save me time. Save me time, save you time. Let's go over here. Let's look at this. Right now, it's creating lower lows and lower highs. This is a definition of a downtrend. So personally, I wouldn't enter until it breaks this level right here. 0.00134. That's where, oh, didn't mean to do that. Let's go. Uh-oh, Joe, we're going to see all your history. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Don't do it. It doesn't do it. Right now, everybody's like, oh, pause it. Rewind. Rewind. What was he looking at? What was I looking at? Can you tell me in the chat? Let's see here. Where is it? I was doing Alt H. Oh, I did Control H. Whoa. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. Right here. This is a safer bet. This video is going to have the most rewinds. Rewinds and pauses. That's going to be funny. Let's see here. This one, I will say, man, how much is that though? Nope. I always forget. Price range. How much is this? Huh. Yeah, just wait 200%. Can't wait no 200%. Okay. So we got to do this. Okay. So what you want to do is wait. If you're very, very eager to enter this coin, you can, but just know it's probably going to come down 30 to maybe 50%. Easy if you were to enter right now. Higher the risk, higher the reward. So you could enter some now. Let's say you're going to do $100. Again, not financial advice. You could put in $50 and see what happens. If it comes down 30, 50%, then starts coming up again like it is here, then you put your other $50. So now you're getting more at a discounted price. Or you could not do anything right now, wait for a 4-hour candle to close. I know it's a lot of time. Maybe it's too long. Maybe we need to do an hour. Let me see what the structure is. 1 hour. Okay, so we would have to wait for the 1 hour candle to close above this level. So like right here, I would have entered. I would have entered on here, but Joe, it went down. You don't know how to trade. You don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. You know, but here I would have entered. And I would have more than likely sold 30% loss because I don't know how far down it's going to go until it breaks out again. So what I would do is I would wait for it to cross 0.00094. The 1 hour candle must close above this level, then you can enter. And I would only enter 50% because we don't know if it's going to come down or if it's going to start going up. If it starts going up, I don't have this. So if it starts going up and then it comes down and then it goes up again, same scenario, it breaks our most recent area of a high, then you enter your other 50%. And now you're in the trade, and now you wait, and then you cash out up here or wherever you want. Again, not financial advice. Okay, moving on. Okay, so hopefully you like that. Let's see here. I think, okay. Let's see here. Kidney Crusher. Oh, I love that name. Kidney Crusher says, I'm new to the channel. Hey, awesome, man. Sorry to hear this. Take care of yourself, my friend. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, appreciate you greatly. Now, I will say that you are very, very lucky, and hopefully you're new to crypto, and hopefully you stick with this channel. Hopefully you subscribe and notification bell, all that fun stuff. One thing with me, and I get this said a lot, people subscribe to me and they mention it. They go, man, like, you're different. Like you're not, because everybody on here is trying to sell you something. Everybody on here is trying to sell you something. And me, of course, yes, I have a group, but it's not for, like, I don't sell anything. I give you the opportunity. If you want it, great. If you don't, if you can't afford it, you can get all this stuff for free. You don't need to pay me. You know, it's here. And my thing is, I just want to help people. Now, all these other people who sell you, I want to help you for $99 an hour. Nah, man, get out of here. So what I do is I show you everything I do for free. And so I think I'm very different. But yeah, it's just weird. Like I've been noticing that lately. So if I start acting crazy or funny or whatever, a bunch of people know me on well, a bunch of my members especially. I'm trusting you guys. Hey, Joe, you're acting a little weird. It's like, uh-oh. So give you a heads up. Let's see here. Nader says, we need you to be around for a long time. Hey, I'm with you. I'm with you on that. I want to enjoy my money. I really do. Regardless of how you feel about taking drugs. Yeah, I know. Even if there's a slim chance. So you're saying there's a chance. I love that part on Dumb and Dumber. So what are the odds of a girl like me and a guy like you getting together? No. Like 1 in 10? No. 1 in 100? No. It's more like 1 in a million. I think it's all sad. So you're saying there's a chance? Oh, I love that part. And then her husband knocks on the door and she opens the door and it's like, your husband? What's this 1 in a million talk? Oh, this is my favorite part. I love that movie. It's dumb. It is so dumb. Man, that movie is so dumb. But that's my favorite part. Another one of my favorite parts is when they're out and they got like a campfire, or I don't even know, but they're out and they're freezing. And then the main character, I forget what his name is, I think Lloyd. He's the other one, the dumber one. He's like, man, my hands are freezing. I can barely feel them, and it's like super cold, just trembling. And then Lloyd, the main character, he's like, here, take these extra gloves. My hands are sweating again. And his buddy is basically getting frostbite. So they start fighting, and the dumber dude starts choking Lloyd, the main guy. And the funniest part ever, he goes, you're freezing. Oh my gosh, I love that part. The voice that he does, man, I love that part. Last time I talked about it, I brought it up on YouTube. That was funny. Your hands are freezing. Oh my gosh. See here, we're gonna be looking at gold in just a moment. Let's see here. Bitcoin, we went over Bitcoin earlier in the show, so make sure to rewind that. We might go over it again. We got some Tesla parts on here. Yeah, sure. I think I actually have Tesla up. So let's look at Tesla. Oh no, we have Nvidia. But we'll look at Tesla. All right, so for GME, it's doing nothing. It's being boring. Plus it's the weekend. For Nvidia, doing great. We do have this gap right here. And sometimes they say, it comes down to the gap. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's been doing great. Nvidia has been doing great. So Nvidia, in my opinion, they just recently did the 10-1 split. In my opinion, Nvidia is definitely a coin. It's something to get. You know, granted, it's been doing crazy numbers this year. I recommend this. Again, not financial advice. And then BONK. For BONK, there was a few days ago, the price was right here, and somebody was saying, should they sell it? Should they sell it at a loss? I said, no. I said, don't sell it at a loss. Not financial advice. I said, but hold on to it. Hopefully, it comes down to this box area, and you can verify this. This was a few days ago if you want to. And I said, hopefully, it'll come down to this area. So from here, it may come down, then come up, get rejected here, come down. Hopefully, it comes down here so you can buy more of it and just hold it. Just hold it. Or from here, it can go up. You know, and then now you'll be in profit. And sure enough, it came down, it went up a little higher than I thought, but came back down, got into this area, and now let's see if it goes up. Now, if it goes further down, which I doubt, we have another area that it could come down to, and just buy more. So the difference between an investor mindset and a trader mindset, a trader will lose when the price goes down. Stop loss gets hit, panic sells, whatever. An investor will never lose when the price goes down. Why? Because the investor has time on their side. The investor will see the price go down. I don't care. I'll add more to it. It goes down another 20, 30%. I don't care. I'll add more to it because they know that they're getting a discount. Then as time goes on, because they have time on their side, as time goes on, now they're in profit. Now they're plus 30. Now they're plus 200. When they could have been down money because they waited, they're up money. And BONK, I believe, is going to be one of those. Well, all of them really, but BONK for sure, in my opinion. So let's look at Tesla. Let's look at some Tesla. Let's go to YouTube. That way you don't see any of the VIP charts. No VIP charts. And that's for the VIP. So let's go ahead and let this load up. Okay. And Tesla, what's the Tesla ticker? I need tickers, guys. TSL, TLA, no, test. I don't even know. Well, we were going to do it. I need tickers, guys. What's this? ASM. Y'all making fun of me now? Okay. We'll do, I don't know. Is it assemble protocol? Probably. Or is it this one? I don't know. We'll do this one. It's probably this one because everybody's on MEXC. I don't know. Ooh, no, definitely stay away from it. I don't like it. I don't like those wicks. That's a bad project. That was easy. This one, definitely no. Nope. I don't like this one either. This is on the daily time frame. Nope, both of those are negative. All right, going down the list. Let's see here. Give me Tesla. Give me Tesla. What is Tesla's ticker? Let's see, XAU, USD, gold. So I just did the first one. So right now, gold is looking good. And man, it's at 2,300. Jeez. I remember when it was way over here, 1,300. Like, gosh. It's crazy. I do want to buy a gold coin though. It'd be too much for a gold bar, but a gold coin I definitely want. Let's see here. Yeah, no problem, man. Not a problem. Not a problem. All right, so right here, 2281 is our major support. Let's go ahead and crank this up to the candle body. I like the candle bodies. So that is your major support. This is your major resistance. So as long as you're in this area, you're good. If it breaks below, watch out. Do I think it's going to break below? Probably not. If it does, I mean, here's your next level of support. Do I think it'll go below this one? No, I really don't. I think the lowest you'll go is 21.82. I think the lowest, but no one knows for sure. So right now, would I buy this? Yes, definitely. You can't go wrong with gold. Definitely. I would buy right now. Again, none of this is financial advice. I must remind everybody because people are jumping in, and I would actually buy right now. The blues are always my entries. I would buy down here as well. And if I'm an investor, I would have a bid down here. I don't think it's going to hit, but if it does, look how lucky you are. You just got a whole bunch more at such a lower cost. And if you're going to sell, I can give you some targets. So let's go ahead and do a fib extension. Fib extension requires 3 points. We have a low, we have a high, got snap in place, and then we got a low. Come on, snap. Why is it snapping? Good Lord, that thing's getting me mad. Get out of here. You're fired. You are fired. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in on this. Make sure, yeah, this is good. Okay, and then this one's good. All right. So for this, we do have targets, and our first targets is, we have a target of, let's do this. So target, and put this in yellow. So first target would be 25.05. I mean, you could do another target here. I mean, this is stocks, you know, people get happy with 3%. So here, oh, actually we want it lower. So we'll fix that in just a second. Okay. So now we go to our price range tool. We entered here, and we would do this right here. Ah, dang it. I'm gonna make these white. That way I don't have to change all of them. Joe, I don't understand what's going on. It's okay. It's gonna be all right. Then the next one will be here. Joe, you skipped one. It's okay. We're just gonna do 3. And then this one. Now, these are stocks. This is gold. Is this gonna happen in the next 6 months? No. Could it? Yes. Will it? Let's find out. But these are your targets. The blue are your entries. The white right here are your prices. And why not? Why not? Target. Let's just make this. Let's just make this right. Copy. Let's just make it right here. Copy. Okay. Paste. Okay. And then next one is this. Let's do. But Joe, you're not supposed to do even numbers. You're not supposed to do dollars. Get out of here. I can do what I want. Joe, you're being aggressive. It's okay. Let's see here. This one. Copy. Let's do a 9. Joe, you're not supposed to do whole numbers. It's psychological. It's okay. And paste. Look at that. Bingo and a bango. Those are your targets. And you're welcome. Okay. Good stuff. So that is that one. Still don't know what Tesla is. Maybe I just typed Tesla. Maybe just type Tesla. I think that's how you do it. Oh, we got JASMY too. I didn't even see JASMY. I spelled Tesla. What am I looking at? Tesla. Joe, how can you be so dumb? I don't know. I guess nobody wants to know Tesla. Let's go stocks. Here it is. TS. So there's 4 things. I was thinking 3. Tesla's coming down. I think it's going to come down further. Probably come down to here, 144. We do have a nice strong level at 158, but probably come down. It's going to come down. It's not going up, in my opinion, but I don't know anything. This is a really strong level. and you have the peak right here, and you have this right here. What I think is going to happen, I don't know though, but what I think is going to happen, it's going to come down, come up, come down, come up, come down, come up, and from here I don't know. I'd have to wait to see. I have to see the structure. That's what I think is going to happen on that one. Let's do some JASMY. Let's do some JASMY. JASMY. Who everybody's in here, please put a number 8 in the chat. Put a number 8 in the chat, and we're over our time again. Gosh darn it. Put number 8 in the chat. I would like to know who's here. If you haven't already, definitely smash the like. Definitely smash the like. What we do is we show you how to trade very successfully every single time. And good, we got likes. We got likes. All right. JASMY. JASMY's looking good. It's doing a nice little bounce. It's got to break this level. Why are you talking like that, Joe? I don't know. If you ever see me talking like that in public, you have permission to punch me in the face. You really do. It's funny. I was watching a TikTok, and it was a movie, I think, a clip from a movie, and the dude was going in there buying a coffee. He's like, "Can I get a coffee black?" You want a coffee? You know how they talk. And it's like, "Yes, I want a coffee black or whatever." "Okay, one coffee." He goes, why are you talking like that? Why are you talking like what? What you're doing? Nobody talks like that. Like, you're making an effort to talk like that. So I just thought that was funny. Let's see here. One enter right now. No. Why? It's under resistance. Oh, how do you know that? Because here's our level. Oh, okay. Let's see here. I would set my alert above this level of resistance, and look, man, look how beautiful this is. Look at that. You see that? Wick. Bodies, almost. Kind of body. So what I would do is I would actually set my alert just above this area, above this wick, and put our alerts here. Now, when the alert goes off, what I'm wanting to see is price to come up, come down, come up, break my level, hit my alert, and now I see that, hey, it's found support. Hey, it broke this level of resistance. The 4-hour candle must close above. What level do I want it above? I want it above this level. 4-hour candle must close above 0.040116. Joe, why not this level? Well, if it breaks above this level, 4-hour candle closes, we can set a lower entry here. With the very high possibility, if it does come down, we get a really nice bounce. Versus if we enter 4-hour candle here, and then we have a lower entry here, now we have a lot of major resistance. So that's the thought process behind that. So definitely, that's very important to understand the reason why I entered here versus here. Very important. Okay. Good stuff. Okay. Let's see here. We did that one. All right. So he said, assemble protocol, Joe. Yeah, we looked at that one. Nope. I wouldn't touch that. I wouldn't even, no. Can they make you a lot of money? Yeah, sure. Why not? I can tell you right now, market cap is junk. I can tell you that right now. Market cap is junk. I don't even know what the market cap is, but I know it's junk. And the only reason you have those like large candles, but then they turn out to be wicks, is because somebody doesn't know how to read order books or liquidity or anything like that. And if you don't know, guys, I'm telling you guys, I will show you how to trade. This is my channel. Go to videos. I will show you how to trade. It's very important to understand how the economy works when it comes to crypto. I didn't know this stuff in the beginning. So as I'm learning, I'm teaching. And that's what's very important. Nobody knows it all. Nobody. Like, we're always learning. People who have been in the game 10, 11 years, they're still learning. You know, once you think you know it all, watch out. This video right here, 15 minutes long. This is from one of my live streams. So what I do is, I know people can't watch all the live streams, you know, an hour and a half of these live streams. And so what I do is I'll do a recap of some of the live stream. Now, granted, if you can watch all the live stream, watch it, because I give a lot of tips and tricks. And always have a notebook. Write notes down. Like, I am literally giving you all of my knowledge for free. Giving you all of my knowledge. Take advantage of this. People want to take advantage of you by saying, oh, if you want to learn this, you got to pay me. Then you pay them, and then they give you all these videos, 20-minute videos, 18-minute videos with 3 minutes worth of actual content. It's not worth it, guys. Like, I'm showing, I know what they do. Here, I tell you about the economy. I tell you more about the CPI and the PPI data. Why is it important? That's very important. I show you a winning strategy, how not to lose. Very simple, very basic. Here, 5 mistakes. This one, it was a second over. I was trying to do this as a short, but I show you in reference to token unlocks. I give you tokenomics. There are so many groups out there, so many YouTubers that don't talk about tokenomics. I explain tokenomics in one video and more in detail, greater detail in another video. Then I give you the price prediction using the logarithmic versus the linear chart for Bitcoin. What I think the price is going to be. Watch that video. Not only the video, but in there, I show you tips and tricks. Every video I have, I try to show you tips and tricks. So I strongly recommend, if you want to learn how to trade for free, tell people about my channel. Share it to one person, just one. You know, I show you this right here, man. 3 key factors: volume, liquidity, order books. This is what I was referring to earlier. You need to understand this, because if you don't, you will be buying at a much higher price and not able to sell it. You have to understand. You have to understand market caps. You have to understand, like, if you're going to buy $1,000 worth, how to scale into it. There's so many things that I show you that nobody else talks about. Why? I don't know. They want you to find out the hard way. Not me. Not me. All right, moving on. All right, so we went over JASMY. We went over this. We went over why we should do what we do. Next one is PYTH. We went over this one, I think yesterday, the day before. This one, looking better, but yep. Okay. So, Joe, don't tell us to wait again. I'd wait. Why? Support. Support. Resistance. Resistance. You have a very high possibility that when it comes up to this area, it's going to get rejected. But if not, if it finds support, we enter. So what I would do is I would set an alert right here. The 4-hour candle must close above 0.3787 in order for you to consider entering. Bingo and a bango. Next. Let's see. Haiti says, hey, Joe. I think I said it right. If not, I apologize. I'm horrible at reading, but I know how to read charts. Joe, go to the RTH rather than ETH. Why? RTH. Rotharium. I don't like the name. Let's go Bittrex. Oh, wow, no. Oh, gross. I threw up in my mouth. I threw up in my mouth. Let's give him a shot. Let's give him a shot. Let's give him a shot. Did I do that right again? Okay. Oh, man, I threw up in my mouth. Let's do this one. Oh, gross. No thanks. Wow. Definitely no. 1,000,000% no. I wouldn't give this to my worst enemy. Nope. Sure wouldn't. It says regular trading hours. Your chart was extended trading hours. For what? For the gold? We're going to look at Bitcoin. We already looked at Bitcoin. But we'll do it again. Stocks. I don't know. I don't know what you're referring to. I'm talking about. You need to do whole sentences. I don't understand. Sorry. Let's see here. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bingo and a bango. Bing bong. Yes. I see here. Also, was talking about Tesla, you idiot. Don't you know anything? How can you be doing charts and you don't even know what Tesla is? I know what Tesla is. Where do you want? Do you want NASDAQ? Do you want whatever? But we went over that one already. And I said it's coming down. It's coming down. Coming down. See, Vassy says, hey, Joe, can you take a look at ACH Alchemy Pay? Yeah, I love Alchemy Pay. I did a deep dive on that long time ago. If it's the one I'm thinking about back in 2021, I did a deep dive on that way back then. And I loved it. I loved it. Alchemy, MEXC. It's looking good. Looking better. Would I enter it now? That is the question. So right now we are looking at a possible bounce. Right now we're in a zone. So the question I get often asked to myself, by myself, is, did y'all catch that? Is, I have a level right here, right? But I also have a level right here. Or right here. No, I'll do this level. Sure, why not? Yes, I will. And I also have a level, right? Is that my level? I want to cover this right here. So because I have a level right here and right here, I just create this as a zone. So I will put my zone right here and right here. I'll leave it gray. That way we're not biased. We don't create a bias. And right now it is in this zone where it could come down or come up. I think it's going to go up. I really do. The price action is on the daily. Went up, came down, went up, came down, bounced really nice off of this area, came down, bounced off of the top of the area, came down, started getting support, lost this level, very key level, lost that level right there, broke it, came down, and now it's bouncing. It looks like it's going to bounce off of this zone. So what does that mean? That means we wait. Joe, you and you're waiting. I know. But we gotta wait. Patience is key. Patience. So what we do is we just enter, or rather set our alert above these candle body closes. I don't want to do the wick because then I do this wick and then I go to this body and I keep on going up and up and I want to enter the trade. So I have an alert set at 0.02658. Now granted, I set an alert, but I didn't. If you want this trade, then you set the alert, because all you got to do is right click around this area, then go to add alert, then put your alert name, then create. But I'm not going to do that. Now, what I'm looking for is the price action to come up, hit my level. So I look and I see, ooh, nice. It gained support here. More than likely, it's going to come down, bounce off of here now, creating a higher low. We never enter 100%. We only enter 50%. Then after that, we add our next 50% once it breaks its previous newly created high. Bingo and a bango. You're in the trade. You're good. So that's what I would do. All right. Hopefully that helps. Let's see here. The same for PENDLE. Joe, get to work, man. Why aren't you working? PENDLE. USDT. I'm not sure what you mean by the same, but let's do a chart. PENDLE looks good too. It broke this level. Would I enter this trade? Yeah. We found one, guys. And the 4-hour candle close above it. We found one. Who is this? Who did this one? Sam. Sam, the man, found this one. This is a trade. This is why I do this, guys. So we can enter trades. This trade is certified. This trade is certified. Enter now, not financial advice, but this is what I would do if I had, well, I just entered this trade. I'm trying to think of something funny. It's like, nope, that's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. So this is, look at that, perfect, man. All these stops as well, areas around. It broke finally above it. This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. 4-hour candle broke above the level of resistance. 4-hour candle closed. Not this one, because this is a sliver. You don't want a sliver. You want an actual candle body. And this body is great. So right now, what we would do is we would actually enter the trade right now. Our blue is our entry. We're looking for a lower entry, but I don't think we're going to get it. But still, I would only do 50% just in case. Let's see here. Do 15%. Man, keep on going down. So we'll do this level right here. Joe, you can go down a little bit more. Yeah, but. So this is my level, stop loss. And for my stop loss, this is copy. And then this is right here. Oh, perfect. Then we go to stop loss. Now let's look for our target. Do we have a target in mind? Ooh, all-time high? Nice, okay. So how do you find targets with an all-time high? Well, let's go and use the fib extension like we did earlier. We could pull it from here, or we can pull it from here, wherever you want to pull it. I'm going to pull it from here. It's a smaller movement, which is going to give me tighter targets. So I'll just do here. So let's extend this so I don't have that same problem again. And let's do our magnet tool. A magnet tool is very important. Always have your magnet tool. Here's my fib extension. You can find these over here. Since I love them, I actually click on this for the star. It goes into my favorites, my favorite toolbar. I can move it around. I tend to have it on the bottom. Let's go to the fib extension. This requires 3 points. We got the lowest point, the highest point, and then the lowest point. So now we can find targets. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Alt and H, not Control and H, Alt and H, and then Alt and H. And then I don't want to do like so many that are close together. So these are my levels. Now that I have that, I can come on to this, select it, deselect it by canceling it. Also have this as my highest level right here. Okay, it looks good. Now, enter the trade right now. That's what we're doing. We're entering the trade right now. And let's do our target. Now, granted, it's only 50%. It's not 100%. So if we get stopped out, we're only losing 15% of 50%. Hopefully that makes sense. So if we had $100 and we put all of it in, we would be losing $15. But since we're only putting $50, well, you're only losing 15% of that $50. So it's not bad. Ooh-wee. Nice. Sam nailed it with this one. So here is our target. Here is our target right here. Nailed it. Do target. Then our next target would be, we can do right here. Now, of course, I know that this is a level because this is where we had our fib extension to give us some targets. And then now we do this here. Nailed it. Let's go ahead and move this over just a tad. Oh yeah, let's make it fancy. We got to make it fancy. This is our target. See the words to the side. This is our target. And then this is our stop loss. Bingo. You got it. A bingo and a bango. Bingo and a bango. Now let's make this even. Oh, wait. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're making this fancy. We're making this fancy. Let's go over here. Let's do this. And let's go ahead and click on here. We're looking at PENDLE. Okay. So the market cap on this one, it's not large, but it's not small. It's 876 million. So that's telling me that this 20% should not be difficult. 40% should not be difficult. We're looking at about 3 to 5 days on average for us to hit this target. If the market cooperates, if the market is lagging, slow, choppy, then it may affect this and we don't hit this until 2 weeks. Maybe we just hit the first one after a week. So it just depends on the market in general. But right now it's looking great. So what I'm thinking, what might happen, price comes up, comes down, comes up. What we do is we want to enter our next 50%. Here is our 50% entry. Bring to front, also clone. We want to enter once we break what I've been saying this whole show. Once we break its newly created high. This would be, once it crosses this would be the previous newly created high. We enter here. And this is where, and what we're doing is we're actually entering knowing that our trade is playing out. Our trade is looking better. Our trade is looking good. It's not coming down. It's not getting weak. It's looking good. That's why we're entering here. And these are our targets. So that is, what is PENDLE? Let's go ahead and just make this a little bit more fancy. For PENDLE, it is a restaking, and that's all I got, just restaking. So it's good to know what it is. And that is your chart that will make you money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This right here is the chart to enter, in my opinion. So give you a heads up. Guys, if you haven't already, definitely smash the like. Smash the like. The like fuels the channel. Not only that, but if you're not subscribed, subscribe. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over charts. We go over thought process. For me, that's the biggest thing, because I could easily have you be a sheep. You give me a chart. I chart it. I give it to you. Boom, you make money. I say, join my course. You join my course so you can learn how to trade, etc., etc. I could easily do that. But what I do is I show you my thought process behind what I'm doing. And I'm showing you and teaching you along the way so that you are not sheep. So that when you make money based off what you're learning, you say, man, if this guy does this for free, what is he doing the VIP? Well, find out. So, of course, you can join the VIP. We do have two different ones. One is, I'm putting in the links right now. One is the link tree. This goes if you want to pay with crypto. Just message me on Telegram if you want to pay with credit card or debit card. There's also the Patreon. How much is it, Joe? Click and find out. But it's way cheaper than it should be, because I give you the thought process behind everything. All the other groups, they don't give you thought process. They say buy the breakout, buy the retest, and they leave you to hang and dry. They really do, or hang out and dry. I don't. I tell you exactly when to enter. I tell you what to do, when to do it, how to do it, why you're doing it. That's the most important. Why? Okay, moving on. But this one is great. Great job, Sam. Great job. Let's see here. Through that. Let's see here. Moving on. See here. Sam says, I'm going to name a good one if it kills me. Let's see here. Ramiro says, ICP. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. ICP, YouTube. Don't want to show you the VIP charts because the VIP charts are amazing. They are amazing. So definitely, guys, if you have not already subscribed, definitely subscribe. And this is what we do. This is going to be the last one too, because we're way over our time. Way over. Normally we just do this for an hour. If we kept on doing this, like this would literally be like a 10-hour show. We get people coming in. Make me money, Joe. Make me money. Okay, bye. Dude, you didn't even like you didn't even smash the like or subscribe or anything. You just said bye. Hey, bye. Okay, bye. See here, this one we tried it. It broke through and forget it. Yep. All right. Let's see here. ICP, 4 hour on daily. Nice zone. It's got a nice little zone right here. So from here to here, nice little zone. It's our support zone. I'll actually put this as support. Green. So it's our support zone. Oh, you guessed it. Gotta wait. Joe, do you ever get into a trade? Yeah. And when I do, they're very successful. Not all of them. I lose. You know, I lose some, I win some. I win more than I lose. But what I'm doing is I'm reducing my risk. Like, you can get to it right now if you want to, and then add to it on the breakout. But for me, like, it's too risky because it can come up here and get rejected. I'm going to show you what I see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right here. Okay. So we have this level. Oh, it stopped. Oh, it stopped. Then we have another level. Stopped, stopped, stopped. All these support resistance. So what this is telling me is that sure, we could, you know, you could enter now. I wouldn't. You could enter now, very high risk. It comes up here and it gets rejected, comes down, and then it could do this number. This is when I buy right here, because it went up. I know a ton can be stopped, dude. I sold mine. And I knew I shouldn't have. But I had moved up my stop loss. Everything was dumping. I moved up my stop loss. I don't even want to look at it. And I knew I was going to do that too. And I was in good profit too. Man, I was in good profit. But it is what it is. But so this is what I think might happen. But I'd enter here. Now that's my plan A. Now what could also happen, comes up here, gets rejected, comes back down, comes back up, 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 comes back. And then now, how long are you in the trade before you actually make, you know, decent money? Here, I'm playing it safe. I'm entering here. And then what I could do is have a lower bid somewhere down here, so that if it does come down, more than likely, it's going to bounce in this area and go up. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get this and move it right here. So if I were you, I would set an alert right there. That's what I would do. Let's see here. Okay, let's look at time. You might see a grown man cry again. I think I cried earlier. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think I sold mine right here. No, this is daily. Okay, I just sold mine. Okay. Oh, not bad. I sold mine up here. Yeah. But Ton's kicking it. Ton is kicking butt. All right, guys, so that is it for me. Before you go, I would absolutely love for you to type the number 4 in the chat. If you're watching this on the replay and watch it all the way through, do hashtag 4. I would also love to know that. So happy you guys are here. If you're brand new, if this is your first time watching the show, let me know in the comments. Let me know right now in the comments. I'll give you a shout out. Plus, I love giving everybody shout outs. So I do thank you guys very much. Now for the awkward looking down. 3, 2, 1. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over charts. We go over Bitcoin. We go over stocks. We go over crypto. We go over the thought process when it comes to entering trades, not just giving you charts. But I want you to be a trading warrior, not a sheep. I'm here to make money with you, not because of you. And because of that, I show you everything I know for free. Monday through Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we do this. I show you everything. Once you see that what I show you can make you money, now you'll want to join the VIP. Because if I show you all this stuff for free, just imagine what we do in the VIP. That's my sales tactics, you know, sales tactic. People tell me all the time, Joe, you don't know how to sell. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm offering you the opportunity to be a warrior, a trading warrior. If you want it, great. It's there for you. If you can't afford it, don't worry. I got you. I got your back. Every single day, stay tuned. I will show you how to do what I do. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until then, let's make this money. Take care. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. So we got Ramiro. Ramiro says, it's my first time, man. Hey, awesome, brother. So happy you're here. Hopefully you subscribed. Hopefully you hit that notification bell. We do this every day. I do sometimes random. Sometimes I do. No, the music is way too loud. Sometimes I do random streams, but usually it's 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Sometimes if I'm late, if I'm going to be early, if I'm going to do an extra thing, I'll post it on Twitter as well. But so happy you're here, man. So happy you're here. We got Lenny Kid 777. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. We got L in the house. So once again, guys, definitely subscribe. Definitely subscribe. See, Ramiro says, love your show. Big up from Sweden. Oh, sweet, man. We got Sweden in the house. Very nice. Sam says, TI Army, Trade Intuition Army. I love it. I love it. And of course, we got S in the house. What's up, S? Appreciate you, man, for being here. We got Crypto 420. Appreciate you for being here. Sam, you know you're my favorite. Sam, you're my favorite. Crypto 420, you my favorite. S, you my favorite. Let's see here. Ramiro, my new buddy. You're my favorite. L, don't get jealous, because you're my favorite too. Lenny Kid 777 knows that he's my favorite as well. Got so many favorites in here, guys. So many favorites. We got I'm gonna say Vasi, you my favorite. Don't get mad if I said your name wrong, but I do appreciate you. We got Nader is my favorite as well. Man, Nader, you my favorite. Let's see here. We got I'm gonna say Haiti. I apologize if I mispronounced your name. No offense, not trying to offend anybody, but I can't read. I can read charts. But you are my favorite. You're my favorite. You are my favorite. We got what's that? Lowe's in the house. My favorite. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate everything you do. Appreciate all the love and support. Perez, my favorite. We got Alper. Alper's my favorite too. We going over Jasmy. Do we go over Jasmy? I don't really know. But if not, tune in tomorrow. We'll go over Jasmy. We went over Tesla. I remember that. Let's see here. Am I missing anybody? Anybody at all? I think we got everybody. If I missed you, I do apologize. Oh, we got Darren in the house. We got Darren. Thank you, Darren, for showing up. We got Jono in the house, my favorite as well. Darren, my favorite. So many favorites. We got Mr. G in the house. Mr. G, my favorite. So many favorites in the house today. You guys are great. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for smashing the like. Thank you for just being here. You guys are the best. Absolutely appreciate everything you do. And as always, the longest outro in crypto history is right here every single day. My name is Joe. This is Trade Intuition. DJ, can we get some music for about 10 seconds so we can say bye? All right. 3, 2, 1. DJ, play that music. Thank you guys so much. See you tomorrow.